Hello friends, welcome to Network of Science. So today in this video we are going to add password and change name of the Bluetooth module of HC05. So I recommend you to change the password and name of the Bluetooth module because in previous video we had made a project called phone controlled bike starter. So for that I highly recommend you to change the password because the password the old password and name of the Bluetooth module is HC05 and the password is 123 because and anyone can connect to the Bluetooth module and access your bike. So to avoid that you need to change the password and name. You can add your personal password and name. For that first you need to open the software of Arduino and check for blank code. You need to press this new tab, you will get this blank code. So I have already opened it. Then upload it into your Arduino. So after uploading, the previous code will be erased from your Arduino. Then you need to follow this circuit diagram and do the connection. So before connecting these connections, you need to unplug the cable from your computer of Arduino. So the RX pin will go to pin number 0, which is RX of the Arduino, and TX will go to pin 1 of Arduino, which is TX. The 3.3 volts will go to VCC, the enable will go to 5 volts and ground to ground. After that you go back to the software which you are here and do not plug in your Arduino, just press the button which is at the corner where you attach the jumper wire. In the Bluetooth module there is a button, you need to press and hold it and plug in your Arduino. The light will blink for 1 second and it will be off. That means your Bluetooth module has gone into AT commands mode and you can release the button. After that you need to go for the serial monitor and you need to select both NL and CR and the baud rate as 38400. After that you need to type here AT in capital, so it will send OK. That means your Bluetooth module is in AT command. Then to check the name of the Bluetooth, you need to type AT plus name. So everything must be in capital letters. So it's showing the name of the Bluetooth module. So I had already changed the Bluetooth name. As you can see, I have kept the bike's name, which is Pulsar DTSI. Then to check the password, you need to type AT plus PSWD. Then it will show the password. You can check here. Then to change password and name you need to type. So I'll show you now how to change the name. For that you need to type AT plus name equals to the commas and inside the commas you need to type whichever name would you like to keep for your Bluetooth module. So now I'll change the name and I'll keep it Network of Science, the channel's name. So I've written the name and just press enter. So it has sent OK. That means the name of the Bluetooth has been changed. If you want to check, type again AT plus name. showing network of signs, and down it is okay. Then to change the password you need to type AT plus PSWD equals to, and the commas. Inside the commas you need to type whichever password you like. So you need to type AT plus PSWD, and you need to put these commas, and you need to type whichever password would you like. So I'll be putting I'll be keeping the same password, so I'll type the same password once again, and press enter. So it has shown OK, and the password has been changed. If you want to check, you can press again AT plus PSWD and press enter. So you can see the password has been shown. Then now we'll go to our phone screen and check out the password and name if it has been changed. So you need to enable the Bluetooth. So you need to enable your Bluetooth and search. So as you can see, the Bluetooth name has been come, which we had entered in the command section. Then you need to enter the whichever password which you have. And just press OK. So the Bluetooth has been paired with the phone. So if you have any doubts regarding the previous project or this video, you can comment down below. I'll be answering it. Thank you guys. Hope you can subscribe to my channel if you are new. If you like this video, please press like button. Thank you. Stay safe.